Lex Olowo here. This is my YouTube channel, and in this channel I teach people things on how to make money online, how to get more customers from the internet space, and how to use different tech tools to help ease your life process. Alright, so today I have an amazing topic where I'm going to be sharing this with you guys, how to make consistent sales in 2023. So I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can make consistent sales in your business. So this is for business owners. You have any form of business, you want to get more customers from the internet space. The strategies I'm going to be talking about are going to help you make consistent sales. Alright guys, so some of the things I want to talk about are things that you don't know about. You would have to go do more learning, and maybe you want to go to my website lexolowo.com, or you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel, go subscribe on the channel so that you can get more amazing videos like this. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so before I come to the video today, I'm not one of these guys that like using this type of background where you show books and all that, right? We used to have a plain background where we just had the Hydra DNA stuff like that. But today, Prince Julius, the guy behind the camera, decided that we should have a change and we should use this as our background for today. So nobody say I won't show and I say I did read. Nobody say I did read like that. Alright, so let's go straight into it. How to make consistent sales in 2023 in your business. So making consistent sales in your business has to do with a lot of things. And for local businesses, maybe you have a physical location and you have a place where people come to visit you. One of the best ways you can do is to use the Google Business Profile, right? So on my channel, I'm going to put a link to that video. And I've done a video where I taught you guys how to use the Google Business Profile to get more customers for your business. So the Google Business Profile is when people go online, they're searching for where can I repair my phone in VI, computer institutes in Ikoyi, where can I fill my gas around Magodo. So all these things are things that you can make your business rank for just by opening a Google Business Profile, right? So all you have to do this is just go to Google, search Google Business Profile, and you can take advantage of that platform. So go to my YouTube channel. There's this video I already did, 2 different videos I made on how to take advantage of the Google Business Profile. It's an amazing one. You're going to learn from it. Right. Another thing I have discovered that works very well in the attempt of trying to get customers online consistently, that was even the main reason why I opened lexolowo.com, right, is to create a WhatsApp funnel. So creating a WhatsApp funnel means that creating a place, a platform where you can get to meet new people every single time. Now, creating a WhatsApp funnel is in 2 ways. You can run Facebook ad with a freemium, with we call it a lead magnet, right? So something you can give away for free. You can give it to people, something just like a free report or a free guide, just to get people to come to your WhatsApp. So building a contact list. So imagine that you have 2,000 people, 3,000 people, 4,000 people on your WhatsApp. You would make sales every day because you can reach 2,000 to 3,000 people without running an ad every single time. So how do you do this? Create a lead magnet, something you can give out for free. Create an ad. Let the ad go to your WhatsApp. Let it direct people to your WhatsApp. So you can have a landing page where they can go and click on it, or you can just do a Facebook ad that directs them directly to your WhatsApp, and you are consistent. So you have a never-ending funnel. So you can put 1,500, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira to this every single day, whether you are sleeping or waking up. You are sure that this ad is running and it's generating new people for you every single time to your WhatsApp. So having a never-ending WhatsApp funnel is a way to always get contact, and contact is equals to more sales, right? If you have a great offer. So we're going to come to that. Another way is to use referrals. You see, having consistent sales in this 2023, my brother, my sister, you must use referrals. Everybody that has bought from you and is happy, they are army of people that can buy more. How many of you here have you have gone to a restaurant and you ate in the restaurant and you liked the food so much, and the next time your friends wanted to eat, you are like trying to convince them to follow you to that place to buy the same food? So that's the same way referrals work. People that there's a special feeling that comes with people that have bought your product and are happy about it. So right, all you just have to do is ask them to bring their friends, ask them to bring people, ask them to refer other people to the service. They will, because there's a kind of pride that comes with that feeling that the product was good for you and your friend also liked the product after you recommended it to them. That's the same reason why guys refer other people to their barbers, right? So you can use that in your business. Always use referrals. It's gonna really help get you more sales, right? Then another thing you can do is you should invest in Google Ads. I'm going to say this slightly because I really mean it. Invest in Google Ads. Now, Google Ads is one of the things that so many people are not doing, right? So people are running Facebook ads, people are trying to build landing pages, people are trying to do. But one thing that so many people are not doing is to use keywords, do keyword research, and use the research they've gotten from their keywords to find hot keywords and run Google Ads to these keywords. Not many people are doing it. Most times when I run Google Ads, they are always profitable because the people that are searching for your product and service are there. So many people, when you have a question in your mind, when you have something that you need, the first thing that comes to your head is to go to Google. The same way your customers are thinking about it, invest in Google Ads. You can hardly go wrong with a good, well-set Google Ads. So all you have to do, even if you don't have a website, you can still run Google Ads to your Google business profile. And if you have a website, it makes it better. You can run Google Ads to your website, to your landing page, and invest in Google Ads. It's going to really help you this year. This year, at least try and run one Google ad, brother. Please, sister, try. It's going to change everything about your business, and you're going to see. So I did this for a computer institute recently, and it's amazing the number of people they get to make inquiries about the services that they render. So Google Ads it's an amazing one. Try using it, and it's going to show you a whole lot of results. Right. So another thing is focus on transformational relationships, right? Focus on relationships that can help both parties. You see, there are two types of relationship you can have in a business. I heard this from someone else. I'm trying to remember the exact person I heard this from. But then there are two types of relationship, and I have noticed it. It's actually either a transactional relationship or a transformational relationship. Now, when I say transactional means that you give the customers its delivery and everything ends there. But then, when there is a transformational relationship, a whole lot of other things happen. Even after you have given the person their products and service, you still are interested in the results that they get. So you're asking them, how was the product? Did you like it? If you have any question, let me know. And this communication eventually builds a strong bond, and this strong bond can help you get them to obviously refer other people, and they can also introduce you to new opportunities. So this year, treat every single customer that comes your way as a friend. So try to take them from the point of being a client to becoming a friend, and it can transform everything about your business. So what I try to do these days, anybody that does business with me, gives me money, I try to see a way I can give them more value and more value and more value until we become so close that it's not only about the business, it's about me being interested in their personal success. And in turn, they would now want to recommend more people to my business because they are my friends, and that can help take you to the next level. Another thing I want to talk about is using retargeting ads. Now, many people run Facebook ads, but once the people see their ad, they don't retarget those people. So there's something called, how many of you know there's something called a Facebook pixel? you go to a website, you discover that, and you keep seeing an ad. It's like the ad is following you everywhere you're going to, right? Those are retargeting ads. So you can do that too for your product and service. So I can do an ad and say, hi guys, this is Lex Olowo. I have a course. The course is called Dominate Your Niche. I'm selling it for 100,000 naira. All you have to do is go to lexolowo.com. You can take advantage of that course. It's going to help you. There's no cost like that. I'm just saying, right? So the retargeting ad will now be something like, you clicked on my landing page, you saw my ad, but you have not bought. So I'm having this same offer for you if you are going to buy 50% discount for you now, because I saw that you're interested, but maybe there are some constraints that you cannot buy. So go ahead and take up the offer. Something like that. So retargeting people that have seen the first ad with another offer, or with a parallel offer or a cross offer, can really, really help boost your conversion, right? So I've done this a lot of times. Retargeting ads can be a game changer for you. So try to start using that retargeting ad strategy. It's going to really, really help you. At this point, subscribe to this channel.